Hi everyone, so I'm back today with another little freebie for you. So it's a little 5-page like French ephemera freebie with flowers and butterflies. So we have this one here. These will be on my coffee shop. I put up a little 5-page yesterday as well. So check out all the freebies over on my coffee shop, and my digitals and my journals for sale. My journals are all reduced at the moment if you want to take a peek at them. So yeah, that's what I've done. Actually, the ones that I done yesterday, I had somewhere, just in case you didn't see them. They were rosies, that's what they were. There we go, it was them. So it was them yesterday. And these today. Somebody had said, oh, you know, it's very kind. Well, do you know what? I mean, there's lots of ladies doing like freebies and things, you know, and you know, I'm pretty new to digital work and I'm still learning, but it is nice to give. It is a way to say thank you for watching my videos, thank you for supporting like my channel and you know, even on my Instagram, my Facebook groups, etc. And it is good to give back somewhere, you know. It's especially with the cost of living crisis at the moment, then it is good, you know, if you do printables, then it is good to have something that, you know, isn't going to, like, you know, bust your purse or anything. So anyway, thanks a lot. I'll put a link to this below. Go and check it out. Have a great day and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.